Alright, so we got it all cleaned up here. Got all the trim out. And now it's time to lay down this underflooring that we got. This is where we are at. We got all of that stuff on the floor. And we're gonna start laying down some planks. We're not laying planks yet. It's time to tape the wedges to the walls. So let's do that. Here's where we are now. It's starting to get late here, but we've got our spacers set up, got our flooring brought in, got our tools, our little cutting station with our moving blanket to catch as much dust as possible. And before we call it a night, we're gonna try to start about 2 or 3 runs here and get that tape pulled up. And hopefully the floor will just hold that side down for the night until we can finish it up in the morning. So let's get started here. This is where we left off last night. Did not get as far as I thought, but our next step is going to be to cut the rest of this vent out of this board, and then we can continue this, and then once we get past this corner right here, it should go pretty fast. So yeah, let's go ahead and cut that out and go from there. We finally got it cut out enough to fit this. If you remember, I saved that piece of carpet. So now I'm going to show you how I got that cut right there and how I'm going to do this cut right here to the wall. Okay, so we've got our carpet here that we saved that was already cut to the corner of that wall. And then we've got our board here that's already marked. And we're going to use this carpet to get the angle we need. So I'm just going to take it, line it up with our mark here. Put it away. Get it straight. And then we'll go to the other side where it comes here. We'll mark the board right there. And now we're just going to cut diagonally. Now, here's the piece we just cut as our end piece over there. So it's going to be our new starter piece. We're going to cut this flush. Now we can start our new run with this. here is where we are at. I went ahead and vacuumed this all down because it was getting a little crazy. Moved all of our supplies to that side. Whew. It's getting hot in here. But yeah, still, we're making some progress. There's obviously what is done. We're going to continue this going this way. To conserve some battery dew, I'm not going to film this whole thing. Here is where we are at. We've gotten, let me see if I can get a good view here, all of that done. My camera died during the ending of that, but we got the flooring. We cleaned up everything, took all the tools out, all the extra flooring. So what's next is we're gonna pull out all of those. And then I pulled the, oh hi Yummy! Pulled the screen off the window. And we're gonna go ahead and use that little compressor and our 18 gauge nail gun, and we're gonna put the trim back on, and then we'll be pretty much all done. So we'll be right back. We have all the trim ready to go. We got our nailer. Yeah, let's put the trim back on, see how it goes. The trim all on, and now we're gonna take this caulking, fix the cracks up, and then hopefully, I mean, it'll look pretty good. So, start over on this wall here, so there's nothing in the way, and then we'll just work our way around. Alright everybody, we are done. Just finished up. Didn't do the best job on the caulking, but that's alright. We got it all done. The floor is looking good. All we have left to do is add these transition strips in the doorways. One right there. One right here, and then we'll like actually be done, but we don't have those, so that's another day problem. But yeah, here's how it came out. Total DIY project. I hope you enjoyed. Obviously I'm not a professional, I'm just a dude who's showing you can do this with some tools if you have some time. So yeah, if you want to see more videos, maybe not floors, because I don't think I'll be doing that again anytime soon, but I do post videos. So if you want to see more, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Later, everybody.